Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach. Today I am going to tell you the fastest way to speak English fluently and confidently. This is the best way which can help you to improve your spoken English, your English communication skills, your English speaking skills. And you must have heard about it. But lots of other things which we need to know before using this technique or this practice. Okay, what is it? How you can use it to improve your fluency and confidence or to improve your English speaking skills? And I'm going to give an example also with some tips at the end of the session. So stay tuned. And if you want to explore more such topics, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Let's begin now. So the fastest way to improve your English speaking skills is shadowing. Shadowing practice is the best practice which you can start including in your daily routine every single day for 10 minutes to improve your speaking skills. And trust me on this, guys, it works as magic. Why I'm saying this is shadowing practice helps us to train our ear, mouth, and brain together. All three senses are active. So the coordination between ear, mouth, and brain will help us to speak better English or speak English. So when you train your ear, mouth, and brain together, and when they are in sync, it will help you to improve your communication skills. You will definitely be able to speak English more fluently, clearly, and confidently. And basically in this way you will be exposed to real English conversations. It's not only about learning vocabulary or grammar, but it's completely you are getting an exposure into real conversations, right? Now let's come to the benefits of practicing shadowing. Okay, the first benefit is it helps in pronunciation. Now how does it help in pronunciation? When you practice shadowing along with a native speaker, you know where to stress. Right, the stress, the intonation, the sound, you know everything. Where the speaker is stopping, where the speaker is stressing more, where the tone is high, the tone is low, everything you have to copy the speaker. So you know what to do now. So everything is in sync and you are just copying the speaker and you are understanding also. At the same time, your brain is also understanding what to do. Your mouth is understanding, your ears are understanding what to do, where to stop, and how to speak. So in this way, you're training yourself while shadowing. Okay, and in this way, your pronunciation will become natural over time. When you start practicing it every day for 10 minutes, your brain, your mouth, and your ears will catch up with it and it will understand how to pronounce, right? And how to act naturally. So you will be able to speak natural English in this way. Next, it builds fluency. Now how does it build fluency? When you start copying the native speaker or any English speaker, your brain gets used to producing English words without translating from your native language. This process is very important. What we generally do is when we are beginner in English, we do try to translate it from our native language to English, which is a strict no. We should never do this, ever. So this is the best way to stop our brain from translating, right? So when you start shadowing, automatically your brain will take up English as a language and it will start producing thoughts or ideas or words in English without translating. So that is the importance of shadowing, a very important benefit of shadowing. It will help you to stop translating from your native language instead of producing English naturally in your brain. And in this way you start speaking more clearly and with less pauses because your brain is functioning, your brain is working. It is helping you with new words, ideas in English, not in your native language. So that is why start shadowing. Next, it enhances listening skills. Now when you're shadowing, what you do, you listen to a piece of information, right? And you copy that. It will help you in understanding the language, understanding the accents, different accents. You might listen to a UK English, a US English, or some other English or some Indian accent. So you'll be listening to different accents, right? So it will help you to understand the language, the accent, connected speech, and natural speed in which people speak in English, right? There's a certain speed in which we need to speak so that people can understand us, right? There's a natural flow which every language has. We have to understand that. We have to pick up that so that it sounds more natural for us, right? So when you're shadowing with native speakers, this is the benefit you are gaining. You will start sounding natural. You will go with the flow. You know how English is spoken, right? So you'll understand different accents, connected speech, and the natural speed. Okay. When you'll start understanding the language and you'll start following the accent, speed, rhythm, intonation, you will definitely be more confident in speaking in English. Okay, so that is why shadowing is very important. Now let's come to the very important part, how to practice shadowing, which we all lack, which we all are clueless about, or we practice it in a wrong way. So here I'll give you a 7-step method to start shadowing, or to follow shadowing, or to practice shadowing. Listen to it carefully, guys. Step number 1. Choose a 30 to 60 seconds English audio. You can choose a video also, that is absolutely fine, but audio is something when you put your headphone or you're listening to it, you're not distracted, right? So it's more productive, but that's fine. You can take up any video as well, which is between 30 to 60 seconds in English. Okay, next step is listen once to understand its meaning. This is very important. So step number 2 is listen very carefully to understand its meaning first, what it is trying to say. Step number 3, read the transcript if available. So there is a CC option also. Enable the CC option also, so you can read the transcript if it is available, just for your understanding, for your revision, or for your convenience. Next step, shadow the speaker 3 to 5 times, speaking along with them. Okay, so in the previous step you've understood what it is trying to say. You've read the transcript also. Now you know what the speaker is saying. You have heard it, you have understood it. Now try speaking it along with the speaker. First time it may not be as you thought, or you might not be able to catch up with the person, which is absolutely okay. So that is why 3 to 5 times you have to practice to speak along with the speaker. And once you gain confidence, when you know you are able to catch up with the speaker, you are speaking along with the speaker, what you do is, in the next step, you record your video or audio. Now next step, which is very important, which is step number 6, what you can do here is compare the original audio or a video, whatever it is there, with your recording and see the difference. Where is the difference? This is very important. This is called introspection. You are finding your fault, or you're finding what is wrong, right? So as to improve on it. So once you have recorded, try to compare your recording with the original audio to find the difference. And the last step is repeat until your speech feels natural. Unless and until you're not able to speak naturally, you have to keep on repeating it. Okay, this is a 10 minutes exercise, guys. A 30 to 60 seconds video, a 1 minute video, right? 10 minutes is more than enough to practice this, and you will surely be able to master it. So this is the way, these are the processes which you should use to practice shadowing, or rather I would say this is how you should practice shadowing. Okay, coming to the examples, I'm going to share what topics you can take up to practice shadowing initially, right? How you can take it ahead. You should start shadowing short dialogues related to daily routine, office conversations or interviews, activities you do every day. You can talk about your food as well, any movie, any series, any game which you are fond of. You can talk about on these topics because these things you are interested in. You can take up hobbies as well. So whatever topic you like, you can take that topic and you can start practicing short conversations by shadowing them in this way. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.